Is there sauce on my face? Yes, there's definitely sauce on my face.
Hey friends! In today's video, we're going to be making rodeo hamburger sliders for all you meat lovers out there. You'll only need a few simple ingredients, so let's get started.
First, we're going to start off by slicing an onion about 2 inches thick for our onion rings. So for the batter, I have cornstarch and water. I normally would use almond milk, but I didn't have any, so I'm using water. And just a blend of different seasonings. I have brown rice flour, sea salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, and panko breadcrumbs. I'll have the full recipe in the description box for you guys. Now we're going to bake this at 450 for 15 minutes. Now for our sriracha sauce, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of eggless mayo. I'm using Helmans, 2 teaspoons of sriracha, one teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now we're going to take our Beyond Meat sliders and grill them on each side for about 6 minutes. I'm using this Follow Your Heart dairy-free smoked Gouda cheese. It's going to add more flavor to the burger. Now I toasted my buns in the middle just to make it a little bit more crispy, and now I'm going to add the mayo. Just look at these burgers. They're absolutely delicious. Now it's time for the taste test. You guys have to give these burgers a try. They are delicious and so easy to make. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.